Roughening a previous cold tar layer before adding more is essential to create a mechanical bond that allows the new layer to adhere properly. When working on layer bonding with cold tar, start by assessing the existing surface for loose material and contamination, and remove any foreign debris with a stiff broom or wire brush. Lightly chisel or scrape the top of the set layer to expose a rough, irregular surface. You want micro-scale peaks and valleys, not a smooth plane, so use firm but controlled strokes to avoid gouging deeper than necessary. Sweep or blow away all loose bits and dust so the new material makes intimate contact with the prepared surface. And if oil or grease is present, use a mild solvent and allow complete drying before proceeding. For colder weather, warm the substrate slightly with hot air to reduce thermal shock and improve flow of the fresh mix. But do not overheat the tar. Mix the new cold tar to manufacturer recommended consistency and apply in thin, even passes, compacting each pass with a hand tamper or plate compactor to expel air and promote interlock. Finish with a light rake or trowel to achieve the desired profile and allow adequate cure time based on temperature and humidity before trafficking. Common mistakes include failing to remove loose material, which leads to debonding. Fix that by thorough scraping and sweeping until only solid material remains. Another issue is applying a new layer over a glazed or polished surface, which repels the binder. Roughen the surface with chisels or grinders, and then re-clean before placing fresh mix. A third concern is applying cold tar onto a contaminated or oily surface, which prevents adhesion. Clean with an appropriate cleaner, let it dry fully, and, if contamination is severe, consider removing the affected area back to uncontaminated material. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for layer bonding and other exterior repairs, and it connects contractors with people looking for that work. We host a discussion community where users and pros share tips, ask questions, and compare methods to help projects go smoothly.